What I wish I knew at the start of my WordPress journey? Speed matters more than you think. Let's dive in. Hey there, web developers. Want to create a WordPress website that's not just pretty, but also lightning fast? Good news, you can have both. Today, I'm sharing quick tips to supercharge your site's speed. First up, pick a lightweight theme. Heavy themes can slow you down. Next, optimize your images. Use tools like TinyPNG to compress them without losing quality. Don't forget to enable caching. Plugins like W3 Total Cache can help your site load faster by storing data for faster retrieval. Another tip, minimize plugins. Only keep the essentials and delete the rest. They can be a major drag on your site's speed. And if you're adding forms, chatbots, or animations, make sure they're optimized too. Check out the links in the description for affordable Fiverr services to help you out. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Let's get your WordPress site flying.